The objective of this lesson is for students to be able to compare different decomposing strategies when adding 2- and 3-digit numbers. The decomposing strategies presented in the previous lesson were using the expanded form, making jumps of 10, and making 10. In this lesson, students are asked to solve a problem such as 452 plus 267 using strategies they have learned in previous lessons. The goal is to have students not only be exposed to various addition strategies, but to recognize the more reasonable and efficient way to compute numbers. Let's try a few examples. How would you solve 97 plus 99? I think making 99 into 100 would make it easier to work with rather than using the standard algorithm and having to regroup twice. So if I add a 1 to 99 to make 100, then I will have to subtract 1 from 97 to compensate. And that leaves me with 96 plus 100 equals 196. So 97 plus 99 equals 196. How about 362 plus 235? I might choose the expanded form, since 362 equals 300 plus 60 plus 2, and 235 is equal to 200 plus 30 plus 5. I can easily add my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. If I add my hundreds, 300 plus 200 is 500. I add my tens. 60 plus 30 is 90. And then I add my ones. 2 plus 5 is 7. So the answer to 362 plus 235 is equal to 500 plus 90 plus 7, which equals 597. What strategy would you use when working with a problem like 157 plus 34? I might choose to use jumps of 10. If I start on a number line and I start with 157, I take one jump of 10, which gets me to 167. Another jump of 10, which gets me to 177. And since I need to make 3 jumps of 10, there's my third group. And then I just need to add the 4 ones that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 88, 189, 190, 191. So my answer to 157 plus 34 equals 191. Although I chose to use the strategies I did, students may find that another strategy worked better and more easily for them. The important issue is having students justify their answers and explain their solutions in ways that make sense to them and others. It also would be important to have students explain why they chose the strategy they did and why they felt their strategy was the most efficient. In this lesson, students utilize and compare different decomposing strategies when adding 2- and 3-digit numbers.